Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, me and my teammate, we are going to present our Project 1 and this is our lecturers, Puan Shohaila binti Muhammad Yusof. And this is my teammate, Samita, anak perempuan Pacamutu, 10DDT 22F 1502 and Gavina Sri, anak perempuan Munyandi, 10DDT 22F 1084 and Shalini, anak perempuan Anbu Shelin, 10DDT 22F 1026 and then Iman Fatini binti Hassan, 10DDT 21F 2081 and me, Aina Safir binti Muhammad Asbullah, 10DDT 22F 1131. For question 1, describe web development and technologies. A. Provide an overview of your web application and its purpose. The web application for Tech Solution Inc. aims to serve as an interactive platform for customers to explore and purchase the latest consumer electronic products. It provides an intuitive interface for users to browse through various categories of electronics, view detailed product information, make purchases, and interact with customer support. B. List and explain the key features of your web application. First, homepage. The homepage serves as the entry point to the website, providing an overview of the company and its offerings. Second, about us. This page is aimed to build trust and credibility with visitors by sharing insight into the company leadership, team, and achievement. Third, services. Each service may have its own dedicated page or section providing detailed information about the service offering, pricing, and how to access them. Next, contact us. The Contact Us page provides various means for users to get in touch with Tech Solution Inc. Last but not least is product. Each product listing includes detailed description, specification, images, pricing, and customer review to aid user in making purchasing decision. C. What software tools did you use to develop your web application and why did you choose them? First, we are using HTML. HTML is the standard markup language used to structuring web pages and defining their content. It provides a semantic structure for organizing content such as heading, paragraph, lists, and link. Second, we also using CSS. CSS is used for styling HTML's elements, controlling their appearance, layout, and visual presentation. It allows for the customization of colors, font, spacing, borders, and other design aspects to create visually appealing and consistent web pages. D. Essential features of website and their contribution to user experience. First, intuitive navigation. Clear and organized navigation menus and breadcrumbs guide users to easily find what they are looking for, enhancing usability. Second, responsive design, ensuring that website adapts seamlessly to different devices and screen size, improve accessibility and user satisfaction. Third, engaging visual. High-quality images, videos, and graphics make the website visually appealing and help showcase products effectively. Last but not least, fast loading speed. Optimizing page load time enhance user experience and reduce bounce rate, improving overall engagement and conversion rates.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iman Fatini binti Hassan. I will talk about the construct web page using HTML. The first one is the purpose and element of the head section in HTML document. The head section of HTML document is where you define a various meta information and include the external resources like the style to include the CSS resources. For the second one is how to use the text formatting in your web page to increase readability and visual appeal. There are two ways. First one is heading text, H1 until H2. H1 is for the bigger size of the fonts, and this until the H6 they become the smallest size font. And the second one is paragraph. Paragraph is for the size paragraph like you want to put the some paragraph for describe something. You can use the method paragraph. They also have the bold one. Like in paragraph, you just want to bold the important words. So you put the important words between the strong one. The last one is identify and explain the text attribute that you use in HTML document. For the first one is color attribute. The coding is style equal equation colors colon and the code of your colors or name your colors, and don't forget the semicolon. The second one is font size. The font size is like the color attribute. Just change the color to the font size and the name of the colors with the number a size that you want to put. There are also some attribute like font family, like types of the font you want to put.
Hello, my name is Shalini. I'm going to explain about identifying cascading style sheets. A role of CSS in website and print layout design. Website layout design. CSS controls the visual presentation and layout of web pages, including styling text, defining colors, positioning elements, creating responsive designs, and adding animations. It ensures consistency, accessibility, and user-friendliness across different devices and screen sizes. Print layout design. CSS is used to create print style sheets which optimize the layout and styling of web pages for printing. Print specific style sheets adjust elements for print output such as page breaks, margins, font sizes, and colors, ensuring readability and clarity when printed on paper. B. Basic of style sheets and various forms of selectors. Style sheets. Style sheets are files containing CSS rules that define the appearance and layout of HTML elements on web pages. They can be embedded within HTML documents or using the style tag, linked externally using the link tag, or applied inline directly to HTML elements using the style attribute. B. Basic of style sheets and various forms of selectors. Selectors. CSS selectors are patterns used to select and style HTML elements. Common types of selectors include element selectors. Select HTML elements based on their tag name. Example, P selects all paragraphs. 2. Class selector selects elements with a specific class attribute. Class name selects all elements with class name. 3. ID selector selects a single element with a specific ID attribute. Example, ID name selects the element with ID and ID name. C. Applying multiple rules to a particular element using CSS. Multiple CSS rules can be applied to a single element by separating them with semicolons with the style attribute, or by defining multiple rules within a CSS style sheet. Each rule consists of a property value pair that defines a specific aspect of the element's styling. D. Different ways to specify CSS for web pages.
Embedded style sheets. CSS rules can be embedded directly within HTML documents using the style tag. Inline styles. CSS rules can be applied directly to HTML elements using by style attribute. External style sheets. CSS rules can be defined in separate external CSS files and linked to HTML documents by using the link tag. Imported style sheets. CSS rules from one style sheet can be imported into another style sheet using the import directive.
Next, I'll be explaining about question 2, which is present the interactive text solution in tech website that has been developed using HTML and CSS based on our Project 1. Thank you kepada Shalini. Next, I'll be explaining about our web page. So first, we click on the index. So first, before going into our web page, we'll go into an index which will have our group members information. And then there's our project link down here. Once clicking it, we'll go into our web page. As for the front page, we have used CSS style to edit the words at the upper part, and then there's also a slideshow where the pictures will be changed. Next is the service page. As for the service page, there is writing at the above, and then we have used a video as a small creative method, and we have used a list to list down what services that we offer. Next, there is also two forms where the customers can book their service information or the requirement service and their contact information, where they can then click on the submit button. Next is the products page. As for the products page, there's a marquee where the customers can check out our latest products. This is used to be as a creative method so that the customers will be attracted to it. And at the bottom, there's our latest products with the pictures and the informations. For the background of this web page, we have used a lighter, two similar background images with a slight color complexion, which is the upper part is a bit gray and the downer part is mostly white. Next, I'll pass on to our next member, which is Gavinasri.
Thank you for explaining, Shamita. Next, I want to present about a page. When you open about a page, there will be display a small information about the company. We have used an image as a creative method. When you scroll down, we use CSS here to change the font color and size for the vision and mission. Next page is contact us. Next page is contact us. Here will be a form will be displayed. Customers can fill in the form and submit by clicking a submit button. For the about, there have a multiple choice, so you can select one option. For the gender, we have a use radio button, so you can click either one to submit. Last but not the least, when you click home icon, it will go back to the home page again. That's all from us. Thank you.